In the heart of an active mining operation, every movement plays a vital role in maintaining production flow. Bulldozer grading near the road berm. Here, a Komatsu D85E Bulldozer works with precision, leveling material near the road berm. This process ensures that the whole road remains safe, stable, and efficient for heavy equipment movement. Consistent grading like this is essential to maintain road quality and long-term operational reliability in the mining area. After completing the initial surface leveling, the operation moves to the clay material zone. Bulldozer pushing clay material. At the next location, the same unit pushes dense clay material toward the designated leveling area. Clay demands high engine power and skilled operator control due to its heavy and sticky nature, requiring strength, accuracy, and consistency for proper shaping. Every step in this process is a commitment to safety, efficiency, and sustainable mining operations.